morning. So we are sitting over there. A huge yacht actually just passed us. There's the bridge. That's the Sagamore Bridge. We are at the Cape Canal. This beautiful sailboat coming through. And there's just been amazing boats coming through here. They're so beautiful. We are by what they call the herring run of the Cape Cod Canal. There's my honey. He's fishing. They use really long rods. Here comes another boat coming this way. I don't know if you could see it. It's off in the distance. There it is. And there's my honey. Not sure where his line went. But yeah, just sitting here. There's bikers on this canal. Trips, people walking. I'm just sitting on my little area working on this. Whoops. Yeah, I probably should put some sunblock. It's looking a little red. Sorry guys, it's a little windy here. I'm working on this one right now. And I just finished up, sorry you're looking at grass. I just finished up this one right here. We're gonna look at my honey for a second. Give you something to look at. Let's see. Can you see that? Oh, I'm having a hard time. Here we go. There's one. Here's another that I finished. They're flying in the wind. I'm gonna have to put them up on my design wall when I go home. This is a little bit of the canal for those who have never seen it before or haven't been in this area. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Have a fantastic day. Bye.